Welcome to Montavilla's 12 Days of Christmas giveaway.
This is one of our favorite traditions because it gives us a chance to celebrate the best sewing community anywhere, you.
Let's talk about giveaways, because this year we're going to give away about $3,000 worth of prizes to show just how much we appreciate you.
And entering is super easy. Every day you shop at Montavilla Sewing through December 20th, you have an entry to win the 12 Days of Christmas giveaways.
And the giveaways start on December 8th, so let's get shopping.
Go to montavillasewing.com/12 days.
Merry Christmas.
And happy sewing.
Welcome to Day 7 of Montavilla Sewing's 12 Days of Christmas giveaways. We're right in the middle of the celebration, and today is packed with amazing machines.
That's right, because today's giveaway is a brand new Onyx 15 from Husqvarna Viking sewing machines. It's light, dependable, and it's perfect for the sewist who's beginning their sewing journey.
And speaking of an incredible machines, we are joined today by Alex, who's going to show us the Pfaff Expression 725 and the Expression 750.
So buckle up, it's day 7, it's Pfaff, and we're here with Alex to dive in.
All right, let's get started.
Okay, I'm joined here with Alex, and we're here to talk about some new machines that we have from Pfaff. Alex, first of all, how long have you been with us?
About a year and a half.
What have you learned so far about sewing that you didn't know before? Is there anything
my gosh.
you learned?
So much.
So much, yeah?
Yeah.
Just blows your mind,
Just-
right?
yeah.
Mind blown?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's cool. We're going to talk today about some Pfaffs, and I really like the Pfaffs. I like them for several reasons.
I do too.
What do you like about the Pfaffs?
Well, my favorite feature's obviously got to be the IDT, or integrated dual feed technology.
What does that do? What does that mean?
Well, that's your built-in walking foot here that works in conjunction with our feed dogs to make sure that our fabric feeds evenly and we don't get weird bunching or shifting as we're trying to quilt our layers or put our garments together.
What are some special things about these machines, though?
Well, I really like the ribbon stitch that these machines can do. I think it's a nice way to really up our project a notch and take it to another level. It gives it some nice texture and depth there.
So what is this anyway? Is that's actually ribbon you're sewing over?
Actual ribbon that gets sewn to the fabric itself, and the machine just walks you right through it.
Oh wow!
It does a little stitch, and then it says, "Hey, put your ribbon down," and you do, and it sews it in place, and just follow along.
Well, that's cool.
Super simple stuff.
Yeah. Wow, there's so many things you could do with that.
Pfaffs are really elegant. They can make some really nice projects there.
So the 725 and 750 are new machines. What's the difference between these two machines?
So the 750 here has embroidery,
Ah, yeah.
and the 725 is sewing only.
Okay.
So you need one of each, so that while your embroidery is stitching out, you can still work on your sewing projects.
Well, yeah.
Yeah, nice round collection.
Exactly. You need one of everything, right?
Certainly.
Wow. And so now we're in front of these new machines by Husqvarna Viking. Well, we've got some great Onyx machines here, and you know why I really like the Onyx machine right now?
Why do you really like the Onyx machine right
We're
now?
giving one away.
We're giving one away.
Yes, and we are giving away an Onyx 15. Now all three of these machines are great machines for the beginner, right? We got two different basic mechanical models and the Onyx 30, which is a great computerized model. And these are very well priced for anyone that just wants to get involved in sewing. This is a perfect gift.
Great for a gift.
Great gift. And so we're giving away an Onyx 15 right now to a lucky winner. Now, two things. First of all, I got a question for you.
All right.
Do you have a favorite Christmas memory?
Yeah, so I think I was about 7 years old, and it was our first Christmas in a new house. And we woke up on Christmas morning all ready to sit down on the couch and open some presents, and there was no room on the couch. It had been turned to face the tree. Underneath the tree, both couches, the entire living room floor absolutely piled in presents.
Oh, wow.
I was the happiest 7-year-old you ever saw in your life.
Wow.
It was magical.
Well, that's cool.
That was the year I got my Barbie dream house.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
Yeah.
So we always have like a Christmas code word to see who wins the Onyx 15.
Okay, all right.
So what is our code word that we have to know?
Today's code word is Grinch,
Okay.
as in the Grinch who stole Christmas.
Watch out, Whoville, right? Because here's the Grinch. And this is, you can see, can be sewn out on a Pfaff 750.
Can be.
Expression 750. So get one of our embroidery machines and you can have all the different embroideries and there's
All the Grinch you want.
all the Grinches you want.
Well, that wraps up Day 7 of our 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Huge thank you to Alex for showing us the Pfaff Expression 725 and 750, two great machines full of precision and Pfaff engineering.
Speaking of great machines, this beauty right here, the Viking Onyx 15, is our giveaway today.
She's compact, dependable, and honestly way cuter than a sewing machine has any right to be.
And the Onyx 15 is perfect whether you're learning, traveling, or just need a reliable little machine that won't quit on you.
And remember, every purchase made during this holiday sale gets you entered to win.
And don't forget the code word of the day, Grinch. We'll see you tomorrow for giveaway number 8.